Oh my god, I just slammed my tooth with this bottle. Sponsored? No. So, okay, so now we are doing my my like shirt drawer. So yeah, as you can see, it's like it's super duper filled. So we're gonna start with I guess long sleeves.
Let me ask the audience.
Okay, so I was originally going to get rid of the shirt like when I was like came up with the idea of doing closet clean out because it's like basically the same color as this sweater.
Same old fucking shit.
But it's old, it's like see-through, it's very lightweight.
I'm a skinny legend.
Then I was like, this is like a fun, like a good like summer long sleeve.
Lock it up.
I could put it with like some white pants.
Come with something new.
White pants are basically like my staple now, but I could put it with like white pants and it would be cute like walking on the beach. So I think I'm actually gonna keep it. I am going to get rid of this gray shirt because I have this one. And this gray shirt is like, it's also old. I've like chewed through the sleeve, like there's like holes in it. So we can get rid of that one. Guilt-free. I'm gonna keep this red one. It's like, it's pretty thick.
She's a mammoth, of course.
So it's good like when it's actually cold. I'm gonna keep this blue one. This blue and this gray one are like the same shirt, just different colors. Actually I used to have a blue one of this shirt too, like a navy one, but it got lost like in my dorm room, like, I don't know. It was lost and never found. This is just like an Under Armour or like long underwear shirt. So that's good. I'm keeping that. I think I'm gonna get rid of this shirt. So I've had this one for a long time. It's very fun.
Well,
I like it a lot. But it's very thin. It's got a couple of holes in the back. I've had it for long enough that like, it'll be fine. And I have this white shirt.
Same old fucking shit.
That being said, this white shirt is like a little bit, it shrank a little bit in the wash. Anyways, okay, whatever. You already made up your mind.
no, it's in your head. It's in your head.
Next we have Pajam Jams. Here's an exercise shirt, like a exercise like over jacket. I wear sometimes. When I used to run last summer, I wore that. Sometimes when it was like colder.
Frederick, oh my god.
This is my favorite bro tank. It's got cactuses on it, cacti, if you will. And my mom hates it, and she tries to throw it away every time she sees it. She thinks she's sneaky, but she's not. Now let's put it with my other... Do you remember when bro tanks were like all the rage? Like I know they're still like... I guess it's just because I'm not in college, so maybe I don't see a lot of people wearing them, but like... At one point it was like... Everyone had a bro tank.
Okay.
Here's an actual Under Armour shirt to go with my Long John one. I'm gonna keep both of them. For the bro tank, I think I'm gonna get rid of this one because this shirt is currently inside out. Once it's like right side in or outside in, whatever, it looks like this.
Oh.
It's not as much fun. So I think I'm gonna get rid of it.
All right.
This was my friend's tank. Hey Blake, I kind of stole from them. I thought it was a gift, but it kind of was, but it also, I don't know. I kind of stole it from them. Oops. Hashtag sorry not sorry, now I'm throwing it out. Just kidding, I'm donating it, but still. This is a shirt from 2003 when my cousin was in the major league, the minor, junior league? Like the kid baseball.
Wait a damn minute.
Kid baseball World Series.
No!
And it says Arabian American All-Stars because he's from Saudi Arabia. What is it? That's not minor league, that's like, is it junior league?
I'm a dumbass.
Little league. It's little league. I got there eventually. Come on, big brain. Oh. Got a big forehead, but there's no brain behind it. Here is a shirt that I'm also keeping. It's Houston Gymnastics, but it's signed by a bunch of Olympians, so I'm keeping it.
Yeah.
Here is a really soft sleep shirt that I got from my box. That's like really soft, so I'm not getting rid of it yet.
Let's do this.
Okay, when I worked at Lavalette, I think I am gonna keep this for right now. Sailor Moon, I'm keeping. This is one I got from Forever 21 when I was in college. I'm keeping this one because it's still good. Baby Yoda, keeping that. This is my favorite white t-shirt that I have, so I'm definitely keeping that one. Here's just like a plain blue, navy blue shirt with like a navy blue frocket. I'll keep that because it fits me really well. I think I might get rid of both of these. So I have this one that I've had for a couple of years. But it says Carpe Diem on it, and it's a statue, like a sculpture, like a Greek sculpture of like a naked woman. It says Carpe Diem across it. I think it's time. I don't know, I love this shirt. It's got an eagle on it.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
I'm keeping it. I've had it for years. I've had it for 7 years probably. I don't care what anyone says. I'm keeping my baby. Papa don't preach. I'm in trouble deep. Yeah, I'll keep both of these. And this one as well. These are just like work shirts for when I'm like actually doing like construction stuff. These are a bunch of undershirts, which were really nice during like the winter when it was cold out. So I'm gonna put these back in. I'm gonna put my bro tanks back in as well. My workout. Oh, how can I forget? Another shirt that I got, or that I found that I'm keeping. Alright, here's my sweatpants. I'm gonna keep these. I'm also gonna keep these. These ones, however, I painted a house in them. I also redid a roof in them, so they've got like paint all over them. They've got holes from where like I've sat on nails and stuff, like. But if I'm doing work in like a cold environment, these are fine. These are good because they're already ruined.
Do you want to fight?
So I guess I'll keep these too. I'll wait till I get a different job and then I'll throw these out.
Here, bitch, you got $1?
How about that? Catch me outside, how about that? Catch me outside, how about that? My tabler. That's from the Storks.
Okay.
Oh my god. These, what size are these? These are from the Gap. I'm 25 years old. These are a Gap Kids size 14.
Dude!
I've had these since I was a child and they still fit. Like, they're still good. Like, Gap has good quality. This stuff lasts.
Disgusting!
But I don't need these anymore. I can get rid of these. I don't think I've worn them since I've been in this house. They were like in the very back of this drawer, so I won't miss it. These are like pants, like long underwear pants. Good for the cold weather, I'll keep those. Here's another t-shirt that I definitely missed. Okay, this one is Beatles, Abbey Road. I guess I'll keep it. I don't need to get rid of this yet, but I definitely don't wear it as often as I used to. But I don't not wear it, you know?
Why would you say something so controversial yet so brave?
And then I've got 2 workout shorts, like basketball shorts.
No, thank you.
No. These are so old. These are both from high school,
Lock it up.
maybe before high school.
We need to call the police.
I'm getting rid of them. Especially these. These ones are like so like waist tight. It's uncomfortable to wear.
Thank you.
Okay, so I guess I've only added 2 shorts, a pair of like a pajama. I got rid of 4 shirts. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next installment of cleaning out something in my clothing department. But until then, bye. One time I chipped my tooth on a water bottle because I like my front tooth. I never got it fixed. Anyways, bye.